Merkel has already warned it is facing the greatest economic challenge in the history of the EU.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is optimistic over talks with EU on smoothing trade with Northern Ireland.
All over the world, ordinary people feel that they are bearing the brunt of the global economic crisis and suffering disproportionately.
The European budget is 2% of all the national budget.
Protesters gathered outside the European Central Bank building in Frankfurt, holding banners with slogans against tough austerity measures and corporate greed.
The president first of all, had to find the compromise between him, the power and the people.